girl Charming Chalet, and I'm back with a quick hair get ready with me featuring this wig. This is a wig by Unice off Amazon. It's a 14-inch T-part closure wig, and it has fake scalp. So this is the inside. As you can see, that's the fake scalp part. You got two combs at the top and one at the bottom with adjustable straps, and it's this pretty highlight color. So I'm basically going to cut off this little bit of lace, glue it down, straighten it, and that'll be it. So if you want to learn more about the wig, or if you want to see how I apply my wigs, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I haven't really done nothing to this wig. I took her out the box, I washed her and let her air dry overnight. This is what she came out to. So that's really all that I've done. But I'm just gonna cut this lace off real quick, and I'll probably do it off camera because y'all know I can't multitask, so hold on. Okay, y'all, so I got her all cut off. So I'm gonna put her on my head. Well, first I'm gonna do these adjustable straps real quick. I'm tripping. I feel like I forgot. I haven't glued down a wig in I don't know how long. I haven't cut lace off in a minute either, because headband wigs are taking over, and that's all I really been doing. Okay, I might have to make this tighter, like the adjustable straps tighter, or put a wig grip on. Because this wig is super big head friendly. I was not expecting that. Yeah, I'm going to take this off, put my wig grip on, and adjust the strap some more. Because it's going to fly right off. Oh no, this is not the wind's best friend. Okay, got my wig grip. I'm really not used to like wigs being big head friendly. What I thought was big head friendly clearly was not, because I'm used to wigs being able to read my thoughts. It's all room in this wig. No exaggeration. Okay, so I got the adjustable straps the closest I can get them without tying them. I should have practiced off camera. I thought this was going to be quick. Okay. I'm gonna get mad. I don't know why I come on camera and lose all my common sense, but it's ridiculous. Okay. So she's finally tight enough. I don't know if she's in the middle. She don't look like she is. Square over some. Okay. Y'all see where that track is? So you literally only have lace. Like, you don't have a lot of lace in the front. So remember that before you get like track. But it is a closure wig, so don't be surprised. Okay. So we're going to start applying heat to her. part with this wig. But I am gonna try to see if I can put a style in her, because I don't really care for middle parts with colored hair. Like, I would have loved to do a swoop, something swoopy, but I really can't. So see. Really can't do too much without like showing that she's not a lace front. It's just hard. Okay. This is cute. So I would probably just leave her like this. Yeah, actually like this. I didn't know where I was going, but it's actually super cute. Bro. Bump the ends a little bit. That didn't bump nothing. But let's pretend it did. Okay. So this is my final look. I really think this hair is pretty. The dye job is pretty. It's just like a simple wig. I feel like this would be a cute beginner wig too, because you really don't have to do anything except cut the lace off. As y'all can see, you don't even gotta pluck the part. Like, it's all done for you. But the specs are that this is the T4/12 ombre color, and this is in 14 inches. I hope I didn't say 12 earlier, because it's definitely 14. It's 150 density. And currently for this length, it's $98.85. Plus you can get a 5% off coupon, so it'll be cheaper. And it ranges from 12 inches to 28. And yeah, this is the box it came in. And it came with a cute headband and a wig cap, and I think their store card. So that's really it. But I do like this hair a lot. I love the color. Like, really love the color a lot. And I'm 5'8", by the way, so it's a cute little shoulder length. Well, that's all I have for y'all today. I will be back next week, so make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.